The Thunderbird rolls in under its own weight again.
Years of moisture have eaten into the front end. Load-bearing steel has lost its strength.
Even simple movement shows deep fatigue.
The interior has been asleep for a very long time.
What's left of the heart is finally exposed.
Nothing here has floured in years.
Age has made everything brittle.
What comes out barely resembles oil.
There's no shortcut past this reality.
We measure what strength is still left.
The cylinders are tired and uneven.
Corrosion has taken over the passages.
Nothing here fits tightly anymore. There's no partial fix for this car.
Access comes before destruction.
Support has to be absolute.
The first layer gives way.
Even decoration carries weight.
Order starts with small details. Stance starts to disappear. Suspension parts are freed one by one.
Stopping power is set aside safely.
Old steel still pushes back. Structure is fully exposed now.
The car is fully suspended now.
Nothing here resists quietly. Mass is managed inch by inch.
The smell confirms long neglect.
Everything waits its turn to be rebuilt.
Control starts to come apart.
Precision parts carry years of grime.
Nothing clean remains inside.
The system lets go with effort.
Nothing remains beneath the body.
The shell is finally separating. Real damage is now visible. Only solid steel is allowed to remain.
The backbone starts to recover.
Repairs are shaped back into the frame.
Straightness is non-negotiable.
Protection replaces exposure.
The foundation is stable again.
The heart is coming out next.
The car loses its heart completely.
Now it can be turned and examined.
Years of neglect show immediately.
Movement has been choked for a long time.
Every surface will be opened.
The bottom tells the worst story.
This engine has been suffocating.
Flow stopped here long ago.
Friction has left its marks. Only bare metal will move forward. Internal wear is confirmed.
Clearance has been lost over time.
Machining will be required.
The block is now empty.
Members decide the next steps.
The core starts to come together.
Precision replaces guesswork.
Compression is rebuilt here.
Movement becomes smooth again.
The engine regains its structure.
Valve timing begins to return.
Every movement is now coordinated. Flow is restored before anything else.
The engine is sealed again.
The V8 takes shape once more.
Motion is routed upward again. Clearance brings quiet precision.
The spark will be strong again.
The engine closes in on completion.
Protection comes before ignition.
The heart goes back where it belongs.
Vibration is controlled again.
Power has a path forward.
Rotation reaches the rear again.
Power needs clear paths. Electricity needs certainty. Signals return to their routes.
Energy is ready to flow.
V8 wakes up again.
The engine holds its rhythm.
Comfort was the first thing to fail.
Moisture stayed here for years.
Solid metal still exists beneath.
Decay is stopped before it spreads.
Comfort is rebuilt quietly.
The past is stripped away layer by layer. Shape is corrected before color. Straight lines matter.
Everything is unified in one tone.
Preparation decides the final result.
Thunderbird's skin is reborn.
Coverage comes from
The shell is fixed to its bones.
Back to life.
Signals are whole again.
Heat will be managed again.
Stopping power is verified. Straight lines return. Everything